Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing today? It is a Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, happy hump day. And thank you all for watching, supporting my channel. And we have a special today. I've been waiting on a list for this pink parcel, Ipsy. So I finally got it a couple of days ago. So I'm ready to open this. So let's do this, shall we? Let's open this up and see what's in it. Ooh, this is so freaking adorable. This will match a purse that I have with the same colors. Look at how cute this bag. Now everything is in this bag. They're like trial sizes, and we have the card with with everything that's in the bag. So I'll read off everything later and how much it is and so forth. So this is by Naked Cosmetics, and this looks like it's a loose eye powder. Let me just check. Oh, nude. Okay, this one is a loose pigment, a natural nude. Naked Cosmetics products are made without fillers like oils, wax, or tonic. That can be damaging to your skin. This is highly pigmented, finely milled eyeshadow. Okay, it's an eyeshadow. It's a, I had a feeling it was eyeshadow. Milled eyeshadow blends easily and will give you lids a beautiful pop of shimmery golden in color. So use a damp dense shader brush to apply this loose pigment all over your lids and blend. Dab it into the inner corners of your eyes with highlight them. So it is a loose pigment powder. I wonder if I can, oh, okay, well, it was sealed. Ooh, look at how adorable. Look at how cute. So if I dab it, okay, let's put this. Ooh, look at how adorable. Very cute. I love that. It's just natural. This is great for the summer. I love this. And it comes in this cute little. So that one we got. There's 5 products. This is a natural radiance base. Oh, it's Prep and Prime. Look at how cute. And the Prep and Prime is by MAC. MAC is iconic for so many reasons, but mainly beloved products that truly work. This silky gel primer hydrates, primes, and evens out your skin for makeup application while you're adding a hint of dewy radiance thanks to an infusion of pearlescent particles. Apply onto moisturized skin with hands or a brush, then follow with your usual makeup routine or wear it alone to find a natural radiance. Okay, this is cute. Very, oh yeah, see? It's just very like a dewy. It doesn't really smell, but look at, really cute. I love this. This is, you know what? I'm gonna take this to Florida with me. So now the next one is Skin Treats H2O Skin Drink Pure Hydrates Gel. So this one is founded by a working mom of 4 Pixie by Petre is all about products that making multitasking easy. Made with healthy ingredients like green tea, aloe vera, rosemary extract. This skin quenching gel formula cools, refreshes, heals, and protects skin. Apply a dime size amount of gel in a thin layer over clean skin and let it soak. Pop it into a fridge overnight. When you apply it in the AM, it'll help depuff your skin. So you could put this in the refrigerator overnight, get it cold, and because you have puffy eyes underneath and stuff, you just put it to depuff. So this is like helps you moisturize your skin and let it soak in. Pop it in the fridge. I like this because a lot of times I have the puffy eyes, and you put this in the refrigerator and you just put it on your face, and it'll help you hydrate your face with this lotion. Let's smell how it is. Oh, it has like a little thingy on it. Okay. Ooh. Let's see. Let's put it up here. Ooh. Ooh, smells so good. I don't know if you could see that right here. Oh. Oh, love this. So this is a cute little, I'm going to bring to Florida with me too. So the last thing that's in this little bag is Waterfall Moisten Plus Shine Lotion. So this is founded by a working mom, hello Beth. Founded by a group of the industry most sought out after hairstylists, is making waves in the hair scene. This lightweight hair helper is jam-packed with the Amplify Shine, like moisturizing Brazilian Basamu oil, frizz fighting, witch hazel, and protective nettle. So put a dime size fly. It will tame. I can't talk. I'm so sorry. It tames flyaways smooth as a dime size amount into a damp hair from mid shaft to ends and blow it out and dry. That's like a big dime shaft though. And I'm supposed to get brushes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I have a brush in here? They forgot. I'm supposed to get a brush in here. Oh, it's in here. Okay, they fooled me. So the last thing is this cute brush. Adorable brush. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. Look at how adorable that is. It looks like a unicorn. Very soft. Oh, love it. And this is a blending brush. You can always use a blending brush. But look at how sparkly it is and how cute. It has like little rhinestones. How adorable. I love this. And this was created by YouTube beauty guru Stephanie Lewis. This brand of glam brushes makes applying eyeshadows easy and fun. The tapered brush head is great for blending away harsh lines and applying shadows to your eye crease. Plus, it's synthetic and cruelty-free to create a glowing smoky eye. Start with a natural shade all over your lids, then use this brush to blend a dark shadow into the crease. And then you make it. Look at how I love this. It's so soft. So cute. So that's it for my Ipsy bag. I just think this is adorable. Hi. I think it's adorable. I love it. So to recap what I got, they don't tell you the price of these, which like the other bags, the other stuff I do, like Slam Glam or whatever it's called. But I did discontinue that because the cost is just getting a little bit too much. So I'm still going to do the BoxyCharm and this one. This one I like because it's just cute little things in a bag. And these are great for going away. So to recap, what I got is I got this cute brush, this Naked Loose eyeshadow powder, this waterfall for to hydrate your skin and get rid of the flyaways, and this would be good for the summer. The primer, and this is for your skin, water for your skin to hydrate. So honestly, all these little items, I need these for summer because this is great for a cute summer look. Love it. So yes, I think these are all really, really, really cute, and I love the little bag. So this is the May Ipsy bag, and let's see what the June one has to offer. And it's only $10. I only paid $10 for these cute little bag with the cute little products. So really cute. I'm satisfied with all the products. I'm happy. I love them. And thank you as always for watching and being here with me. I love doing these videos. It's fun. It's a surprise for me too. I love it. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and press that like button and the little bell right next to the subscribe button, and that tells you when I post. I try to post quite often, at least almost every day during the week, and then I try to film during the weekend and be able to post all week for you to enjoy my videos. And that's it for this bag, for this Ipsy revealing. And let's see what happens next month. I can't wait. Can't wait. And as you see, I dyed my hair myself. I just have to start cutting back because I have a surprise coming for you guys, but that will be a whole other video on its own. But I think I like how it came out. I love it. So until the next time, love you all, and see you soon.